Hello, today I'm working to replace my stock mirrors on my Yamaha XSR900. I've previously installed some SW Motec extension to them to provide better visibility. But today I'm gonna install two new ones, KiWAV motorcycle mirrors, rectangular, classic plus. All right, let's go. This is the view of what I currently have. You can see I pointed to the Motec extension with the stock mirror. I hope we can clean that up. Pretty straightforward items in the package. The two mirrors and the adapters from the 8mm to the 10mm for the Yamaha stock thread. So hopefully that's all we need. Yeah, as you can see, this one gives you the ability to flex, move up and down. Yeah, it uses a gear type at the knuckle there to allow you to have this thing secure and stable. No mirrors. I'm getting ready to put the new one. Um, Let me set this down and I'll come back. On this one, I have no idea what I'm doing, so just turning and hopefully at some point I figure that out. At this point, we have both the old and new with the SW Motex extensions. Not sure if I should keep it this way. I run into a few challenges, but I think this is better. So, this is the view from the front. The view from the back. Let me see if I can sit on it and give you a view. Yeah. Yeah, it's a little different. Before it will be right in front of you. I really don't want to do the bar hands. Again, I'm not too technical. I just want something easy. Even this one is not easy. I'll talk through that in my video. That's about it. So at the end, I end up removing the SW Motex extensions. So that makes things a lot easier. So once I put it back in place, it looks better. So hopefully that's helpful, and I'll leave all the items, at least for the new mirrors, in the description. Um, okay, hey, please comment. Let me know if it's something that's an alternative to the Bahrain mirrors. Again, I rather like the way these ones are. Okay, let me know. And again, if you have a moment, subscribe. I'd like for everybody that owns an XSR to have their page, even if it's one video a year. It's good to see it. All right, later.